Hello everyone, I would like to share with you a project I've been working on lately. It is built using two main components, a Shelly i3 and passive infrared motion detection sensor. This motion detection sensor is a sensor that you can buy on most of electronic stores, and with the Shelly i3 inside, I will call now a smart motion detection sensor. Now let me demonstrate the setup. This is my alarm system I have built using a passive infrared motion detection sensor with a Shelly i3 inside, and I have also door window sensor by Shelly. They look like this. This device here will be my home alarm controller. Basically, it doesn't have anything connected, no outputs. It's simply logically turning my alarm on and off. And this Shelly one here will be a device connected to a siren or a bell, and the hallway room will look like this. It has Shelly door sensor and motion sensor. Now the motion sensor here is showing active when there is a motion, like now, but no alarm is being generated because my home alarm system is not active. And now if I'm going away, I would like to activate my home alarm, so I will press my home alarm button to activate, and now I have a pin code behind that, so I will type 0000, the default pin code, and now my home alarm is active. And then when there is a motion, then the siren will go on, and I have been notified on the phone that someone is at home. Then after 15 seconds, the siren will go inactive because I have a timer on Shelly 1. By the way, the siren is not shown here on the hallway room because I don't want to turn that manually, but I have hidden that one. So to show hidden device, as you know, you press those three dots and then hidden devices. Of course, this is behind a pin code also because I don't want this device to be visible on Google Home or Alexa. And to disable or disalarm the alarm system, I press this button, and then again I'm being asked for the code 0000. So now the alarm is disabled. So even though there is a motion, I'm not getting notified and no bell is ringing. What else? The same if I now enable the alarm system. Now alarm is enabled. Someone opens the door. The Shelly will run the same scene. So now I have alarm active because the door was open. And then soon the door will close. So let me remove this from the wall and show you how I build this. I have only one scene to trigger the alarm. So when motion sensor, basically this setup is active and my home alarm is on, then I will have my siren active and then phone notifications. Or when the Shelly door sensor is active at the same time with my home alarm, then I'm running the same actions here, restoring the power so that I can show you the configuration on the devices. Now I'm restoring the power. Okay, while the power is being restored, I would like to show you how I have connected the infrared motion detection sensor to the Shelly. So I need line from motion detection sensor to be connected to Shelly inputs. Okay, so the motion detection sensor has three cables here. One is line input and neutral input, and one line output. The line output will go to the Shelly input. One here in my example, because I need line to be connected to the Shelly, so I must connect line to the Shelly neutral, the rightmost cable, and neutral goes to the motion detection sensor, but then goes to the Shelly line. So if I haven't confused you already, let me show you why. This used to be on Shelly manual. So basically, when you connect switches like this one or momentary switch, then this would be your right cable or your right manual. So you connect neutral to the rightmost cable on Shelly, but then you connect the same cable to your inputs. So, or you switch the same cable, you switch your neutral to the Shelly inputs, and your line goes to the line. But since I need to connect line to my inputs, so I must connect line to the rightmost Shelly cable here, Shelly i3 cable here. And that's because it has been reported some time ago that if you do this, if you connect line to the line, the red cable, but then you switch the same with Shelly inputs, then it will cause Shelly to be heated more than it should. So don't do this, don't connect your line on the line and then switching the line to the Shelly inputs. These two are the same. The only thing that is changing is the neutral and line being switched here. So you have to remember that you connect the rightmost cable, or you switch the rightmost cable to the Shelly inputs. These are exactly the same installations. The only thing is changing is neutral and line. These are, by the way, alternative current, so it doesn't matter which way you connect here, line and neutral, as long as you connect again the rightmost cable to the Shelly inputs. So the configuration. Okay, so my hallway has Shelly with one input only configured, and then on the settings, a button type is set to be a toggle switch. The rest of settings here on Shelly i3 are default. Then on my home alarm, this device that will act as a alarm controller. Basically, it doesn't have any output at all. It's, by the way, these two could be Shelly 2.5, one device with two outputs. So I have pin protected so that kids do not turn it on and off accidentally in the middle of the day, and then having the siren going active and having false alarms. So here on my home alarm controller, I have under application settings pin lock, and this is enabled, and the default password for that, or the default passcode for that, is 0000. To change that, you go under these three lines here and then user settings, and then security. You change the device pin code here. By default is 0000 to something you want. What else? I have the siren here, so this would have been my alarming device that would hopefully make thieves run away. So I have hidden from this, and to show hidden device you go here and then hidden devices, and it has a timer to go off after a certain time. So this is all I had to share with you guys today, and please press the thumb up and then the subscribe button down here in the corner to get notified when I have built another unique project. Thank you, bye.